To delete Google Chrome search history, open Google app on your Android phone. From your Google Chrome app, tap this three dot, tap on delete browsing data, and here select time range all time, tap on delete data, and this is how we can actually delete Google Chrome search history. Now if you want to delete all your Google search history, all you have to need is open any Google app. You can use Google, Google Chrome, Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Photos. Let's open Gmail for example. Now tap on your profile photo, tap on manage your Google account. In this page, we have to scroll down. We have to tap on data and privacy. In here, we have to tap on web and app activity. In here, scroll down, tap on manage all web and app activity. In here, we have to tap on delete, and here select the time range to delete. So I'm selecting all time. In here, you have to select all, then tap on next. Now tap on delete, tap on got it, and that's how you can actually delete all Google search history on Android phone.